Hello, my name is Craig Allen and welcome to my third year project presentation. So at Bros Coventry we provide Jaguar Land Rover with seating products. This product you can see on the screen is one of our highest runners. It's a front seat base which is used mainly on larger vehicles. On this particular variant there are 4 motors which can be used to adjust the position of the seat to fit the driver's preferences. So as part of our validation process, we carry out a 100% functional test on all electric seats. We do this by passing each seat through a dedicated end-of-line test machine, or EOLT. This machine checks characteristics such as current draw, travel speed, and even the acoustics properties of each adjuster in each direction. These machines produce a lot of data. So currently that information is dumped into a database and is then analysed by extracting the data into Excel on an ad hoc basis. In my opinion, that's an outdated method of dealing with information, so the aim of this project was to push towards a more modern solution. The solution proposed was an interactive dashboard. Firstly, I felt it was important to ask what makes a good dashboard. There are countless examples on the internet, some good and some not so good. After reviewing and researching, I came up with a list of features which I believe are critical if you want to satisfy the needs of your users. So things like trends being visible and clear. The issues are highlighted in order of impact, so you can target the most critical issues first. These sort of things are all important. So the video behind this link gives a full tour of the dashboard I created for the project. Unfortunately, it's too large to cover all of it within this presentation, but I can show you the front page just to give you an idea of what can be done. So this is the front page of the dashboard. It shows information on the most frequently asked questions, such as what is the quality rate in the top left here, and then that naturally leads to why are the parts failing. So I aim to guide the user through this line of inquiry by allowing them to select a variant. So for example, we can pick a right-hand seat, and then the information on the right-hand side of the report is filtered by that product. Then the user can see a Pareto of the failure reasons by adjuster, so this is the height adjuster, the tilt adjuster, and the cushion extension. And then that can be drilled into by selecting a column, so for example the height adjuster. And then we then see specific failure reasons for that adjuster in the bottom right hand corner. So the user can drill deeper into the problem by selecting options at the bottom of the report on these tabs here, like shift report, acoustics report, or measurement data report. So, the impact of the project to the company is fairly limited at present, and this was due to the restrictions imposed by our IT department. I was not allowed to install the necessary software on a company PC, so I had to work from home with offline data. However, the need for agile and effective data analysis is clearly recognised by Bros. As a company, we spend a fortune on traceability systems for some lines, which includes a similar analysis method. But what about the rest? This project offers a cheap method of displaying data on lines where our traceability system has not been installed. Anyway, with regards to the impact on me personally, I can say that I've learned a lot. The learning curve associated with the software requirements of this project was very steep and challenging, so I feel I've come away from this with a set of really useful skills and experiences, and I'm sure I'll be making use of those for the rest of my career. So in summary, this project was fairly successful. I managed to design and create a functioning dashboard. However, it would have been nice to test the system on data from live production. It is worth noting that I've actually managed to procure an adequate server and agreement from IT to trial the software, so I'm sure that before long we will be trialling the system with live production data. So that's the end of the presentation. Goodbye and thank you for listening.